everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hani T. Ansa, a freshman civil engineering student of University of Southern Mindanao, and I am here to share some of my knowledge about derivatives, and I will discuss some of differentiation calculus problems of trigonometric functions, derivative of logarithmic functions, derivative of exponential functions, and the maxima and minima problems. To get the derivative of the trigonometric functions, there are formulas that we need to consider and memorize para masagutan natin or makuhanan natin yung mga functions na kailangan natin kunan ng mga derivatives. So, these are the formulas. The derivative of sine u respect to x is equal to cos u du dx. And the derivative of cos u respect to x is equal to negative sine u du dx. And kung mapapansin natin, there are patterns and similarities sa bawat formulas na kailangan nating tandaan. So, these 6 formulas ay ating gagamitin para sagutan yung mga questions mamaya about sa trigonometric functions. So, this is the example of derivative of trigonometric function with the given of f of x is equal to cosine 4x squared minus 1. So, ang una nating gagawin ay ating i-derive muna ang cosine, which is magiging negative sine u du over dx. So, ito ang derivative of cosine. And after that, ating kukunin ng u. Ang u natin ay ang 4x squared minus 1. Sulat lang natin siya. Squared minus 1. And after natin makuha ang u, need natin siyang i-derive, which is magiging du over dx is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8x. So, ang f prime of x is equal to negative sine u du dx. So, sa ganitong paraan, ating isa-substitute lamang ang given sa bago nating formula. So, magiging equal to negative sine, ang ating u is 4x squared minus 1, tapos, ang ating du dx, which is the 8x times 8x. After nating makuha to, ating isi-simplify ang ating sagot, which is f prime of x is equal to negative 8x sine 4x squared is minus 1. So, ito na ang ating final answer para sa given na ito. In the derivative of logarithmic functions, meron tayong ginagamit na formulas and the well-known bases, which is the natural logarithms and the common logarithms. In natural logarithms, meron tayong log of x to the base e is equal to ln of x. And in the common logarithms naman, meron tayong log x to the base 10 is equal to log of x. Sa common logarithms, common na or understood na pag walang given, walang base ang given, understood na 10 ang kanyang base. So, this is an example of derivative of logarithmic functions with the given of y is equal to log of 4 plus sine x. So, ano ba ang una nating gagawin? Una is magsusulat muna tayo ng formulas, which is dy all over dx is equal to d all over dx log of 4 plus sine x. So, ito yung ating susundan. So, after that, ating kukunin ang value ng u, which is the 4 plus sine x. U is equal to 4 plus sine x. And after man nito, ating kukunin ang derivative ng u, which is du all over dx is equal to cos x. Cos x, since ang derivative of sine x is equal to cos x. After that, Kakaroon tayo ng dy all over dx is equal to 1 all over ang ating u, which is the 4 plus sine x times ln of 10 times ang ating derivative ng ating u, which is the cos x. Bakit gumamit tayo ng ln of 10? Since walang base ang ating given, di ba, understood na dapat magbibigay tayo ng base, which is the 10. So, magkakaroon tayo ng final answer na dy all over dx is equal to 1 times cos x is equal to cos x all over 4 plus sine x times ln of 10. So, ito ang ating magiging final answer para sa given na ito. In the derivative of exponential functions naman, meron tayong mga rules and formulas na need nating i-familiarize. For the base a, the derivative of a raised to the power of u is equal to a raised to the power of u times ln of a du dx, where u is the function of x. And for the base e naman, meron tayong the derivative of e raised to the power of u is equal to e raised to the power of u du dx, where u is the function of x. So, this is the example of derivative of exponential function with the given of dl over dx 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 1. So, on this problem, pwede nating gamitin yung formula ng base a, which is d all over dx a raised to u is equal to a raised to u times ln of a du dx. So, gamit ang formula na to, ating sa-substitute lang yung given. So, after this, meron tayong 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 1 times ln, ano ba yung a natin dito, which is 5, times d all over dx of 3x plus 1. And after nito, ating kukunin ang derivative ng 3x plus 1, which is magiging is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 1 times ln of 5 times derivative of this is equal to 3. So after this, makakakuha tayo ng final answer of d all over dx is equal to 3 ln of 5 times 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 1. So, ito na yung ating magiging final answer for this problem. This is an example of a maxima and minima problems. So, since it's a number problem, we don't need to illustrate it. Let y is equal to f of x is equal to x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 12. So, the first step here is we need to derive the given, which will become f prime of x is equal to 2, 3. 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Since hindi na natin makukuha yung 12 kasi wala naman siyang variables. Then after, i-divide lang natin siya sa 3. So, magiging x squared minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Ay, wait! 2x pala dapat. Kasi 3 divided 6 is equal to 2. And after, x plus 1 is equal to 0 is magiging x is equal to negative 1 kasi need nating i-transpose yung 1. And dito naman, x plus 3 is equal to 0, magiging x is equal to positive 3 since itra-transpose natin yung 3. Then, after that, babalik tayo sa giderive natin, which is f prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. So, i-derive natin siya ulit. So, magiging f second derivative of x is equal to 6x minus 6. So, ito na lang ang matitira sa ating formula. Then, after, lalagay lang tayo ng put x or assume x is equal to negative 1, which is yung x natin dito kanina. And after, isa-substitute lang natin tong negative 1 dito sa 6x minus 6. So, magiging f is equal to 6. Ano ba yung x natin dito? Magiging negative 1 siya minus 6. And after is equal to negative 6 minus 6. Ang ating magiging final answer is f negative 1 is equal to negative 12, which is ang ating maximum. Yan. So, yan ang ating magiging maximum. So, ito na yung ating magiging final answer. Second derivative of f is equal to negative 12, which is our maximum for this problem. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo sa ating mga sinagutan kanina and diniscuss. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel.